Hi clients! In this video po, i-explain natin yung bagong computation ng ating project. So bago na po yung ating computation. For 2 bedrooms, 30.6 square meters na unit na ready for occupancy, okay, low floors, inner unit, mag-start na po tayo niyan ng 3.3. And good thing for our first promo, mayroon tayo niyan 250,000 na discount that made our unit price po 3.1 na lang. So for our second promo naman po, which is yung 10,000 down payment lang. So wala po tayo niyan lump sum payments, wala tayong 5% down payment, 10% down payment or any hidden charges. Okay, so only 10,000. Then upon approval, pwede na po niya sila agad makalipat sa kanilang unit. Good thing po kasi under Pag-ibig financing na din po yun. So meaning, tayo yung may pinakamababang interest na 6.25%. Okay, so currently pinakamababa sa market kasi yung ating in-house nasa 10.5 yan siya percent. Then yung bank naman is nasa around 6.75 to 7.25. Then for our monthly amortization naman under Pag-ibig financing, mag-start tayo dyan ng 19,000. So payable siya for 30 years. So next, proceed naman tayo sa ating requirements. So yung ating requirements, very basic lang din yan siya. Okay, so to valid ID, ganun pa din, payslip, COE, birth certificate or marriage certificate if married. Then yung ating Pag-ibig contribution, okay, team verification, tsaka yung ating 1x1 picture. So if ever naman mag-exceed ka ng 60,000 basic salary alone, okay, mag-add lang tayo ng 2316 or yung ITR natin. Para naman sa mga clients ko dyan na OFW, so i-add lang natin lahat yun, okay, tapos magdadagdag tayo ng consular sa SPA kung saan kailangan natin magpa-consular sa embassy ninyo dyan sa ibang bansa, tapos ipapadala dito yung form. Okay, tapos yung representative nyo dito sa Pilipinas yung magsasign ng ating mga application folder in your behalf. So again, this is Agent Q1, okay, giving you the updated computation ng ating project or yung ating pinaka-affordable na computation, which is yung 2 bedrooms, 30.6 square meters na unit. And if ever gusto nyo pa nung ibang computation, especially yung facing sunset natin, message mo na ako ngayon dito sa aking number, okay? Or dito sa ating page. So thank you so much for watching, clients. I hope to see you soon. Bye!